Good evening, students. Welcome to the first day of your 400 expected questions for your 2021 boards. So as I have done a video yesterday, so let's start off. Only 2 questions I'll discuss. Keep noting in your book, students. It's very easy. Okay. So I'll give you the question. I'll give you the answer. Note it as it is. Write it as it is in the exam. Right, students? Chalo. First question, I'll be picking up randomly. It is not like organic ones, inorganic, physical. On the whole of chemistry, randomly most expected questions. Right. Let us start with the first question. Carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. Why? It's quite common question and important question, students. Let's write. What did they ask me? They already said carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. Why? What should I do? I have to prove it. So how will I write the answer? Carboxylic acids. Okay. So carboxylic acid, normally nothing to specifically write acetic acid or something. Take an acid. RCOOH. Correct. Phenols. Take the phenol structure exactly like this with alternate bonds and your OH. From carboxylic acid, I am going to take out one H plus ion. From phenol, that is what nothing is the acidic nature, release of H plus ions. I am taking out H plus ions. Perfect. After this is going to form what? RCOO minus anion, carboxylate anion. Here, it's going to form phenoxide anion. Correct? No? Let me write like this. It is phenoxide anion. Till now I have written here carboxylate anion, and here I am going to write as phenoxide anion. Okay, done. Now what next? Important. In the carboxylate anion, it is going to show, if I have to tell you, it's basically something like this. This carboxylate anion is going to show 2 resonating structures. One, alkyl group, carbon, double bond, single bond. Now this double bond shifts here. R is there, carbon, double bond here. This oxygen is. So here, how many resonating structures? 2 resonating structures. 2 resonating structures. Correct, students? Okay, done. I am gradually coming and explaining the concept. Now in phenoxide. When I take phenoxide anion, basically due to resonance, what happens? This phenoxide anion is going to show resonance, and I am going to get almost 5. And one more thing. 2 resonating structures are equal? Yes. Both the resonating structures are equal. Okay. Now the phenoxide ion, it's going to show resonance, shift of pi 1, shift like that. It's going to show a resonating structure, which here the pi bond is between 1 and 2. Here it will become here. The pi bond is between 3 and 4. It will shift here. The pi bond is between 5 and 6. It's going to shift here, and in this process, it's going to form 5 resonating structures. 5 resonating structures. Here 2, here 5, and all they are unequal. They are unequal. So, okay, point number 1. Carboxylate ion or anion forms 2 resonating structures which are equal. Phenol forms phenoxide ion, 5 resonating structures unequal. Now, important thing is, equal resonating structures are formed, and that too only 2. Remember the corresponding molecule. Once again, lesser number of resonating structures which are formed. The corresponding compound, the corresponding acid is always more acidic. Remember, here equal, perfect, unequal, this one. So what will you write? You are going to write more number of resonating structures and unequal, equal number of resonating structures, and the corresponding acid. Corresponding acid is more stronger. The corresponding acid more stronger. Here 5 unequal resonating structures, corresponding acid or corresponding compound rather is less acidic. This is the first point. Now further, if I have to write or if I have to just talk about the thing here, the pKa value of acid is around almost 4.9 or something, lesser value. The phenol value, if I have to take, the pKa value is 9.9 or something. Less smaller the pKa value, more acidic is this. Larger the pKa value, less acidic is it. 2 points, easy. Resonating structures equal, resonating structures unequal, corresponding is less acidic, corresponding is more acidic, because it is concentrated on only 2 resonating structures, isn't it? Yes students, done. First question is easy. Note the first question, point number 1. Point number 2, let's come back to the next question. Right, one more easy question. Question number 2. What is it? Phenol is more acidic than alcohol. So earlier we spoke acid is more acidic than phenol. Now we are going to talk phenol is more acidic than alcohol. How should I write this? As soon as they give, both are conditions which they have told me. So take your pen, write like this, phenol. So P and OH. I can write like this. Alcohol, R and OH. Yes. Done. In phenol, I am going to take out H plus. Acidic means you have to take out H plus. In R, you are going to take out H plus. This becomes phenoxide anion. This becomes alkoxide anion. What is this, students? This is phenoxide anion. This is alkoxide anion. Okay. Done? Okay, done. Next, in phenoxide, just now we have seen the first question, both are related. How many resonating structures? 5 resonating structures. Resonating structures. Does alkoxide show resonance? No. No resonance observed. No resonance observed. Okay, done. If it is showing 5 resonating structures, what is the concept? This is more stable. No resonating structures means it is less stable. Correct, no students? Sorry, the pen is a little bit light. Less stable. Less stable. Okay. Now, if something is more stable, means the corresponding compound, the corresponding acid is, or the corresponding molecule is more acidic. Remember, whichever is more stable, the corresponding molecule is more acidic. In this case, there is no resonance, there is no stability, hence less stable, less acidic. That's all. Simple questions, isn't it too? Like that, we will be doing more and more and more. One day I may pick up electrochemistry numerical sum. I may do some conversion in this. So I may do any sort of, but most expected questions. So 2 questions today, phenols and acids. Next question, phenols and alcohols. Let us summarize once. I said acid is more stronger than, yes, phenol. Phenol is more stronger than alcohol. Simple. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you tomorrow again.